Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download Kodi TV on your Mac, Windows, or Linux computer. No jailbreak, 100% free, and this will allow you to watch live TV shows such as sports. Um, you can also watch TV shows, games as well, movies, all that sorts of stuff, documentaries as well. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Windows browser, and it'll bring you to this. I'll have the link in the description for this site right here. It's called Kodi TV, of course. So you go down to the bottom, and you'll find your Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, Raspberry Pi. Click on one of them, and since I'm on Mac, I'm of course gonna go on Mac and go scroll down until you find this page right here. Tap on which one you are going to download. It'll bring you up to this page. Hit installer, and it will download wherever you had space. Right there. You just gotta be patient, just for a minute. There we go. It's starting now, and it will download wherever you had space. Once it's finished downloading, mine's finished downloading right here. You want to drag your Windows, and I'm going to move it over here, right there. Oops, and we don't need this anymore. And so you want to just open it up. Doesn't take that long. You want to drag it into your applications. Just copying it really quickly. Once it's finished right there, you should see it. You should see it over somewhere. Whoops. Right there. Just go ahead and open it. And again, it doesn't take that long. You get a pop-up right here, just says say open. Now, this is something that some people get. If it says it cannot open, what you want to do is go into settings and go into security and privacy, and you want to it would say would you like to open Kodi or any other app you've been wanting to open. Just hit yes, and it'll ask you for your password, and then you'll be able to launch the app. Alright, so once you get into this page over here, I've got some add-ons already, but I'm going to show you how to import them. So you want to go into this little settings gear icon right here, go into file manager, and go into add source, tap in there, and I want you to put in this server right here. I'll put it up on your screens. You will be able to get this link in the description below. I'll give you a moment to type this up. I'll actually put it on the screens, in your screens right now. Once you finish typing this up, make sure you've typed it in correctly. Hit OK, and just give it a name. Since mine is already named, I'm just gonna click OK. You should see it right here, Mauve Repo. That's what it's named. Go back, and then you want to go into your add-ons. Tap the icons. Go into this little Dropbox icon, and go into install from zip file, and you want to see whatever you named your file. So I've got Mauve Repo right here. Tap into that. Now, if you didn't type it in correctly, this space will be blank. All right. So go back and type it. If you do get it right, you'll go have this page right here. Tap on that, and it'll just wait for it to install. Okay, so we've got the Maverick TV repo. Go into install from repository. You want to go into this Maverick repo TV repo. Go into video add-ons, and you should see all of your repository downloads over here. You've got iTV if you guys want to, but yeah. So this is the one you want, Maverick TV over here. Hit install, and it will install. It's pretty fast actually, because I've downloaded some other. See, it's really fast. So once it's downloaded, we're good to go. So go back, and you'll be able to see your Maverick TV up here. Click inside it. And there we go. We've got catch-up TVs, 24/7, movies, documentaries, comedians, live TV. Yeah, you got live. I don't know if there's any. You even got kids movies over here. You've even got live TV as well. There's even catch-up sports as well. So you got all your live TVs, all that type of stuff right there. Live TV. You even got sports channels as well, such as yes. If it asks you to download an extra add-on, just hit yes. Doesn't do any damage. Just wait for it to load. Right there, and you've got all your TV shows. Box Nation. My personal favorite is Eurosports of Fox or something. Second favorite, NBA. Where I think UFC, Sky Sports as well. Golf, all that good stuff. No, it doesn't have it. You got WWE wrestling, that's good. So yeah, that's how you basically watch free TVs and movies all for free, you guys. You got Premier League, my personal favorites as well. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.